Guys, today I'm going to show you an AI-powered open source tool that will literally change the way you build React apps. It's called open-lovable, and with just a few clicks, it can clone any website and turn it into a modern React app in seconds. What is open-lovable? Imagine this. You find a website you love and you want a React version of it without spending hours coding. Just paste the link into open-lovable and boom, your React app is ready. How to install and set up? Setting it up is super simple. First, clone the GitHub repo, git clone and write cd open-lovable. Go into the folder and install dependencies. npm install, add your API keys in the .env.local file, for example, e2b, Firecrawl, and optional AI keys like OpenAI GPT-5, Anthropic, or Groq. The more powerful AI you add, the better it gets. Run and build. Now just run npm run dev, then open your app at http://localhost 3000. Okay guys, let's try something amazing with open-lovable. We're going to reimagine any website in seconds. First, we're using Firecrawl for web scraping, and our tool of choice, open-lovable. Here's how it works. We simply paste the website link we want to transform. For this demo, let's use https://simplecss.org. Now we get to choose how we want our site to look. Check out these style options: neo-brutalist, bold colors, thick borders, glass morphism, that frosted glass effect, minimalist, clean and simple, dark mode, perfect dark theme, gradient, colorful eye-catching gradients, retro, a nostalgic 80s-90s vibe, modern, contemporary design elements, monochrome, classic black and white. Once we pick the style, the last step is model selection. This is the AI brain that will rebuild our site. We can choose from GPT-5, Kimi K2 Instruct, Sonnet 4, Gemini 2.5 Pro. Just click your model, hit generate, and in seconds, open-lovable will give you a completely reimagined React version of that site. No coding required. Why it's game-changing? This isn't just a website cloning tool. It's like having an instant React developer on your team. Perfect for developers, freelancers, and even non-coders. If you found this video helpful and want more content like this, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Just AI Space, for more informative and exciting AI videos. See you in the next one.